washing and soft washing. Today we're in St. Louis, Missouri, and we're washing Bomberito Toyota dealership. We also take care of washing their cars on twice a month. So we offer building washing, dealership washing. So if you have a building, a dealership, or anything at all, we can do it. We can do all your exterior cleaning. Your building, your concrete, your cars. We're the only company in St. Louis that can tackle big jobs like this, and we can wash 1,000 cars, 2,000 cars, however many cars you have, we can wash. So we're the only company that has a crew that just washes cars and has a crew that just works on commercial buildings, residential houses. We do it all. MidwestSoftWashing.com. Thanks, and I'm going to show you some stuff here in a minute.